Math Chapter 2, Whole Number Multiplication and Division. Lesson 2.2, Multiplying by Tens, Hundreds, or Thousands. You'll notice that we skipped Lesson 2.1. That's because it was a very basic lesson on how to use a calculator. So if you are having trouble using a calculator, be sure to email your teacher and let them know. Otherwise, we'll start here with Lesson 2.2. When you're multiplying by tens, hundreds, or thousands, look for a pattern in the products when 10 is a factor. So here's an example of a multiplication fact that 7 times 10 equals 70. So you'll remember that 7 times 10 just means 7 groups of 10. Here we have 9 times 10 equals 90. And 10 times 10 equals 100. What you'll notice in each of these things is that when you're looking at the number 10, it has 1 0. When you're multiplying it by another number, you'll just notice there's 1 0 in the total or in the product. So 10 is a factor, and the product in 7 times 10 is 70. 10 is a factor in 9 times 10, and here's the product, 90. 90 has 1 0, and also 10 has 1 0. Here's a way to look at it on a place value chart. So what's the pattern when each number is multiplied by 10? If you have 7, you have 7 dots in the ones place. If you multiply it by 10, these dots just move to the left into the tens place. Same thing with 9. If you have 9 ones, they move to the left into the tens place. Here's another way to look at it. Is with digits, you'll notice the same thing. So here you have the 7 ones, they're moving into the tens place. So each digit moves one place to the left when it's multiplied by 10. Now you'll stop and pause the video and do your guided learning. This you can find on pages 53 and 54 of your textbook. I would suggest doing your guided learning on paper and then using the answer key for your guided learning to check your work and make sure that you're on the right track.